Hanna, it's great to have you back on. I understand you're going to do some sound healing tonight. Just let us know what you're going to give us, what the energy's about.
Okay, yes, I'm just going to basically go into myself, connect with the divine source energy, and I think really there's just an aim to be able to bring forward some energies now to help people with what's happening in the globe, really. And I've noticed there's been a number of sort of energy shifts for people and some darker energy around, so I'm just going to channel some light through my voice.
Brilliant. Boy, do we need it. was fantastic. So can you give us some idea what you're feeling through that? What sort of images, feelings you were bringing through or channeling?
Yeah, for me, it felt like I had there was an Indian guide who I have, Navajo Indian, and lots of female people of the earth as well, and they were very much channeling or bringing sounds through me about hope. There was lots of earth dancing around, lots of earth dances for the earth and hope for people, and it felt like a bit of a clearing as well. It was almost like helping people to clear some of the deeper sounds were sort of bringing out those darker aspects, and the lighter sounds and the higher sounds. There was some angelic vibrations in there as well, and they were helping us to realign and to bring ourselves back up into the light, which I think is really needed right now. And I think I'm finding that there's a lot of people in groups right now that I'm coming to Ascension groups, and people I'm working with in my own life. It's there's definitely in the last few weeks some things going on energetically, globally, that are meaning that it's harder for people to hold the light right now. So I think sound is obviously a really powerful tool to use. As soon as we use a sound or vibrate with something, we're either vibrating with something that we deemed positive or negative. So it can bring things out. It's very shamanic. It brings out and identifies those difficult feelings inside us and can kind of exercise them out. But also it can bring us right up into a positive vibration.
Certainly for me, sitting through that, it really felt like I was connecting with Mother Earth as well.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it, really. I mean, although sometimes when we do the sound work and the sound performances and in groups, it's quite fascinating to hear how a lot of people have seen the same imagery or have gone on the same journey and seen similar things. But a lot of the time people do exactly get what they need from it. It resonates with parts of us because obviously we are sound, we are vibration, we are energy. And so it allows you to go to that place you need to do that healing work. Sometimes it affects people physically, emotionally, mentally. But obviously the sound right now, I think it's such a simple tool, and it's something that I'm really passionate about, hoping to bring to people. And the work that I'm doing, obviously I'm bringing together my first sound healing training course where I'm going to be able to teach people the skills to be able to use sound even for themselves in their own life to heal, but also to be able to heal others as practitioners. And it's a really powerful tool. It's something that's very simple, but at the same time we can understand how it affects our physiology, our brain, and it's something that our ancestors have been using since the beginning of the earth. And it's something that we've lost touch with and we've forgotten. I mean, often when we cry, that's a sound. That's our body releasing and reliving an experience to let it come out. And I think sometimes we forget, and children use sounds all the time, to release. And so this is something we're needing to learn. And another thing which I just need to say about that is it's not necessarily the sounds we make. They don't need to be beautiful sounds. It's the intention behind the sound. When I think of love and when these beings come through, it's their love that comes through. It's not necessarily the way the sound is. And we will all have a different understanding of what love is, just like we will all have a different sound for pain. But what we're doing is we're identifying those sounds and those qualities, those intentions to bring those things out and heal ourselves. So
if people want to find out about the courses that you do, they can just go to your website?
Yes, they can go to www.lightworkersunite.co.uk. Unite spelled UNITE. And the next, or the first sound healing training is March 27th and 28th, I believe it is, but I'm excited about being able to help people reconnect with what I remember as having the ability to heal via sound, heal others and heal myself via sound. So that was another time, but obviously now as well I'm doing the same thing. I've brought it back. So thank you very much for helping me to be able to share this in.